Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Facebook page to Instagram business account. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Note that it is important to have your profile converted into a business profile. Once you've done that, tap on the Edit Profile button and this type of interface will load up. Here, tap on the Page feature and then tap on Continue. After that, you will ask to sign into your Facebook account. But once you do it, all of your available pages will be displayed. Now you can either select an existing page or just create a new one if you want. Once you have selected a page, tap on the Connect button at the bottom and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.